Hi guys, today we will understand debugging process for the Mayo project. We already understand how to create the project and we have seen that what are the different types of folder structure and different folder structure and how our application is running, what is the starting point of our Mayo project. So it's anyone can switch here with the Mayo project because he know the almost the process of what is the YAML function doing. So they can easily switch in the Mayo project. So Mayo is one of the cross platform same as YAML forms and where we can have different types of platform in a single code base share. So we have already discussed that we have a single code base share where we can define different platform specific things in a different folders like that Android, iOS, and different Mac, Catalyst, Tizen, and the Windows one. So anyone can define the things which is related to native in the folder structure, and if you want to define anything which is generic, so you can outside of this platform structure. So it will be used for all the application. So why it is called single code base share project? See how to debug a application. So first of all, if you have installed the Visual Studio, you don't have any Android simulator, so you need to go in Android SDK Manager, and in SDK Manager, you need to install any of the SDK platform. If you this is the latest one, if you install, so you can simply come here and install the SDK platform. You do not require to install everything here. So if you want to install, you need to install. Check this one, Google API. This is our image related things, so that our simulator will work on that basis. This is you will see there is a SDK platform tool, and here we have a SDK build tool. So even we can select any of the things, but actually the important thing is that you need to install the Android emulator, sorry, emulator. Okay, so this is the thing. It will normally automatically install whenever you install the Android SDK versions and tools in a starting point and in the study. So this is one of the things that we need to install the Android SDK and tools. After that, once it is installed, normally after that sometimes you need to restore the Visual Studio, or even you need to come in the Android device manager for choosing one of the device for the. Let's see, I already opened this. Let's close this one, and you need to come here, you need to select the Android device manager from here. So we will see that whatever the device you want to create or make, these are the emulators. So if you want to install new one, so you need to click here new, and whatever the version, whatever the device you can want to select, you can choose from drop down and can select and create one of the new device or emulator. So this is the process. After that, so whatever the whatever the device, whatever the default settings should be remain same. So it will remain same. After that, you need to create this one. Okay. So once our device is created, you can see your device here. It takes normally 1 to 2 minutes, sometimes more time, because if there is any issue with it. So let's start one of the our emulator. You can start from here. You can start from here, and if you want to edit or anything that is required, you can delete your device emulator from here as well. So let's close this one and start the our debugging. Let's close this one and start debugging one of the application which we already created in the previous video. So this is our project. So there is two options. One option is that start without debugging, and another option is that if you want to debug your application, you need to select here. So it will be I have already selected this pointer here so that our pointer will become here at 14th line. Okay, so let's see. So our application has started. Okay, this is our applications, that is our first page. Here you will see that if I will click on me, so it will be called here. Let's see, I have clicked it. Currently count is 0, so that there is a small condition for that. If it is a single device, then we need to show that clicked one time, or if we have more than one, then we need to show that click two times, three times, whatever times it will become here. So click on continue, you will see that it is clicked one times, then click again, then you will see that click two times. So again click here one more time and debug the application. If you want to debug, a step over means that what if there will be any method, then you will be skipped and will come below. If you want to go into, then you need to click on step into. Okay, so let's step over. So there is no methods even, so you can skip that with the step over. Currently count value is 1, right? 3, current count value is 3 because already implemented by 1. So it will check, it will go in second condition, it is 3, so our click 3 times will be rendered here. So let's continue and let's see. Let's continue. So click 3 times. Our buttons, our this button is clicked 3 times, and on that basis it is regularly incrementing the value by 1. Okay, it's now 4 times. So this is the process of debugging. Whatever the whatever the code you will write, you can simply come here, we can debug here. So even you can we have more options. If you want to check that output locals, we have a value here and watch. If you want to add the watch, so you can come here and you can count. We'll see that currently count is 5. So whatever the value is here, it will be rendered here, and you can drag the value data. Let's click again. Currently count is 5, but when you will step over, you can see your value is incremented with 6 because I have clicked 2 times, so that it is incremented with 6. Okay, so let's click one more times. Currently count value is, now you will see that your watch list value will be 8. So this is the process. So it contains name, value, and the integer type. Currently it is int, so you are able to see that its value is integer type as a 8. So you can add the quick watch as well. Let's continue. So that's the debugging process for the Android one.